my name is Laura and welcome to the Ask the Expert video series. In this episode, I'm going to show you a few hints and tips on how to use your notes to study for exams by using Glean. We'll start with looking at QuizMe, and then I will show you the focus timer and also how to both export and print your notes within Glean. QuizMe can be located on the top right-hand side, just above the transcript option. I'm going to go ahead and select this feature and open it up just now. So QuizMe works off the transcript which has been recorded. So you will need to have the audio and the transcript available before you can use QuizMe. I'm going to select Start the Quiz just here. What QuizMe will do is provide 5 multiple choice questions based on the transcript which has been recorded. So I'm going to go ahead here and select some answers in relation to the questions. And then we're going to have a look at the answers together. So right at the end, I'm going to show the results, and you can see I got 2 out of 5 questions correct. QuizMe will show you which answers you got correct and also which questions you may need to review. At the bottom, you can either retake the same quiz, you can generate a new quiz with different questions, or you can return back to the event. This feature will allow students to test themselves on recorded content, and it also gives the users confidence that they will have learned all of the important information before they get to the exam environment. Okay, so our next feature, which I'm going to show you, is the focus timer. So just next to the QuizMe feature on the left-hand side, you'll see a little stopwatch. So I'm going to go ahead and select that just now. A small window will appear and it will provide the student with the options of 10, 15 or 30 minute timers. If a student wants to study with short and focused bursts, they can select which time duration suits them the most, and then they can start the timer like so. You'll see on the top right-hand side, the timer has begun. So it gives the student an indication of how long it's taken for them to use the focus timer. When you select the timer on the right-hand side, you will have the option to either pause this or to stop this. You will also get a list of the activity in which you have completed within this time frame. Finally, the last feature which I would like to show you is called Reading View. So this is where you can either print out your notes or where you can export your notes from Glean. So the Reading View option is on the right-hand side of the QuizMe feature button. I'm going to go ahead and select this here. It will provide a flushed out version of the notes, as you can see, and you can scroll up and down just to kind of view what you've captured. To copy the notes, so let's say the student is working from a Word document, or they may be having to copy to a third-party platform first of all to edit their notes. There is a copy option just on the right-hand side, just here. You'll also get a small banner which will indicate to you that the notes have been copied. You can then paste that into a Word document, for example, and then you can edit the notes like normal. If you're wanting to export the notes, so let's say you want to print the notes out, there is a little print option just on the right-hand side of that. If you have a printer connected, or if you have a wireless printer connected, you can simply select that and print out your notes. Another alternate option to copying your notes is using the 3 vertical dots just within Glean here. You can either select the top option to copy your notes entirely, or if you wish to copy just the transcript, you can do that by selecting this option just here. Hopefully you found those hints and tips useful. We'll be posting more videos in the series, so please stay tuned for them. Goodbye.